guys, it's Brooke with WTI.
My son is really into trains right now and he loves anything magnetic. So I was super excited to find this magnetic train set from Lauon. It is so perfect. I love that it is double-sided and that it's made of wood, not plastic, and it has non-toxic paint on it. Not that he puts anything in his mouth anymore, but you never can be sure. I love how cute they all are. They're such great colors, and I love how good they roll along the floor. It really holds his attention. It's great for having him occupy himself while I'm trying to get anything done. He loves driving these along the hallway, and I really appreciate how strong the magnets are. They stay attached. And they also attach to other train sets he has, which is great because he likes to make the trains as long as possible. This is such a cute set. I love everything about it, and my son spends hours playing with it. It is perfect.
If you have a toddler that loves trains and you would also like them to be learning something while they play, I highly recommend this set. It has been so great for practicing our colors and numbers, and he loves that they all connect together and he can drive them around. This set is awesome. It is so perfect. I love it. You'll love it. And that's my point of view.